The Craig Portal is a new offering from your Craig team. It is an easy-to-use online tool for looking up parts and attachments. Search Craig Portal in your browser, or click the easy-to-find link at the top of the Craig website to take you to the portal. And welcome to Portal. Just start typing in the serial or part number you are looking for in the white search bar. Hit enter or click on the drop down, and now you can see information on your part or attachment. No account needed. Here you can look at the parts book to see a breakdown of all the components by hovering over to highlight. Click on the piece you're interested in and see that component broke down by itself. Now you have narrowed down what you need with no back and forth. Time to give your dealer a call. Thanks for watching. Want to know more about Craig Portal? Check it out for yourself or contact us. There is a second video if you're a dealer and want to learn what you can do with an account.